Hi guys, it's Lindsay Love here. How are you all doing? I hope you're all doing fabulous. Welcome to another vlog, guys, and this time we will do another unboxing. Yes, guys. All right, so I received this recently and I'm so excited to open it and share it with you. So yeah, let's do it. Let's check it out. So this time, guys, it's from FYTOO. It says here, better glasses, clearer world. Let's open it. So there you go, guys. We received several eyeglasses from them. This is actually a mix of eyeglasses and sunglasses. So yeah, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. It comes with the receipt, guys, like how many items were received and the total amount of these items. If I want to get more items from them, here I got a coupon and I will get $10 off her on order of $75 and using a certain code. All right, so as for their website, guys, that's their website. I will also put the link in the description below so you can check it out. And of course, this little pamphlet, guys, FYTOO, better glasses, clearer world. And it says here their story, their frames, because they have different kinds of frames, guys, and also the lenses. So I'll take a picture of this, guys, and put it over here so you'll have a better look of the lenses that they are offering, and as well as their frames. They have thousands of frames, guys. It comes with a ruler, right? It's a cute ruler right there. A screwdriver, right? And of course the cloth, guys, to wipe it. So guys, FYTOO is a professional optical company that provides services for numerous online and local stores with cooperation relationships with nearly 1,000 eyewear manufacturers, bringing professional quality and fashionable eyewear to consumers worldwide. And yes, guys, I can't wait to try them on. So let's start with the first one. So as you can see, guys, it comes with a pouch, right? And of course the eyeglasses. We're starting with the eyeglasses, and let's check what's inside. Of course, it comes with a cloth. All right. This first eyeglasses, guys, is called Elmer. It has a new vintage style square frame that has acetate temple tips, right, and flexible temple arms for additional comfort. These chunky frames, guys, can add glamorous fun to any of your outfit. We're gonna try it on afterwards. All right, guys. Okay, this next one, guys, it's the same. Comes with an eyeglasses pouch and of course a cleaning cloth, right? And this one, guys, is called Albert eyeglasses. Albert eyeglasses is made with TR materials that have a quadrangle shape that may remind you of a kind of dignified, serious feeling, which is suitable for people who have advanced and mature taste. Definitely a necessary accessory in your fall or winter wardrobe. And it comes with 3 colors, guys. It's tortoise shell, black, and gray, but this one is the tortoise. Here, I'll move it closer. Hopefully you can see it. Yeah, you can see it there, right? You can see the color right there. So this is the third one, guys. It is called Jocelyn, a new style cat eyeglasses that can catch people's eyes deeply. These glasses are also made of tear material with a smooth surface and silver and gray pattern decorating, looking sexy and cute. Look at that, guys. Right? It's so cute. It's clear. I believe there's two colors of this Jocelyn eyeglasses, guys. There you go. And the fourth one, guys, is Sanny, S-A-N-N-Y. It's a geometric sunglasses made of acetate, and the combination of black and white gives it a unique and sleek look. Nice and simple. There you go. Last but not the least, guys, is called Chelsea sunglasses with a pink tortoise shell texture, looking cute, and of course will surely enhance your fashion instantly. There it is, guys. Let's move closer. So check out the link in the description below, guys, to browse these eyeglasses and sunglasses, plus thousands of various styles of frames, which lenses can be customized according to your needs. Let's say if you need a blue light, you need a prescription eyeglasses, you can also find it in their website. And of course, don't forget to use my code LindsayLove15 to get a 15% discount on your entire orders. All right, guys, so are you ready? Let's try them on. That's it from me, guys. I hope you enjoyed today's unboxing. Don't forget to subscribe if you are new to my channel. Thank you all for your continued support. Stay safe, stay well, stay happy. Till next time. Bye.